It is time for some action. It's time for some action because it's going to be a very hot summer. Time for the mini cooling fan USB. Welcome people, let's going to do a little bit of an unboxing because it's time for some action. Today we're going to talk about the mini cooling fan. And yeah, this is a very cheap mini cooling fan for your USB connection. It comes in this basic carton box, nothing special. So let's take a close look what's inside. And this is what we're going to find in the box. 3 little rubbers for noise cancelling when you're putting it on your desk. The first thing that I'm noticing that it is completely made out of metal, or the blade is from metal and even the casing itself. Little switch at the back, a very long cable. So let's plug it into my laptop and let's see if it's going to get any cool. Alright, I am ready for it. Does it even work? Oh yeah, it works just fine. So yeah people, for the final conclusion, and this thing costs around a few euro, and on a very hot summer we are going to be happy to have a USB ventilator like this one. It's got a really nice build quality, and these are the moments I am thinking, how can he make products like this for that money? This thing is really gem cheap and it works just fine. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos, and see you next time. I want to thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more action videos.